multiplication of matrices using Python programming. Let A is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and the another matrix say B is equal to say 4, 5, 3, 2. The order of the first matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of the second matrix is also 2 by 2. So if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then matrix multiplication is possible, and the order of the new matrix is equal to the number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of second matrix. So here, to multiply this matrix, consider the first row, multiply the first row by first column. So it is equal to what? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. So it is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. So here first entry is 12. Similarly, multiply first row to second column. So if you multiply first row to second column, then 1 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, and this 2 multiplied by this 2 is equal to plus 4. So it is equal to what? 9. Similarly, now to determine second row's entries, multiply second row to first column. So 3 into 4 is 12 and 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 plus 12, it is equal to 24. Similarly, multiply second row to second column. So 3 multiplied by 5, 15, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. So this way we can find multiplication of any two matrices. So if A is any given matrix having order say m by n, and B is any matrix having order say p by q, then if n is equal to p, then we can find a matrix multiplication, and order of the new matrix AB is equal to order of the new matrix AB is equal to m by q. This is the m by q is the order of the new matrix. So now, for example, consider one more example. If A is equal to here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The order of this matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. And another matrix say B is equal to say 4, 5, 2, 3. Then here the order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. Now you can observe here the number of rows, number of columns of first matrix equal to 3 and number of rows of second matrix is equal to 2. So here 3 is not equal to 2. So matrix multiplication is not possible. Here we can write a matrix multiplication is not possible. Multiplication not possible. Multiplication is not possible here. Is not possible, or we cannot find a matrix multiplication. So now in general, suppose A is any given matrix. Suppose A is equal to say any given matrix say A11, A12, A21, A22, and B is the matrix say B11, B12, B21, B22. Now here matrix multiplication is possible, and the matrix multiplication AB is equal to say this matrix is B. So this matrix is B. So AB is equal to A11 plus A11 into B11, A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. So here you can observe this A11, this A11 and 1 and this 1 is same. Here also this 2 and this 2 is same. Now we want to develop logic to or we want to create a for loop for multiplication of matrix. So you must understand how to multiply two matrices. Similarly, to determine second entries, we multiply A11 to second column A12 plus A12, sorry, B12 here, B12, then A12 into B22, okay. Again you can observe that this 1 is equal and 2 is equal. So again if you multiply, then take second row A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Next A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. So this way we can find a matrix multiplication of two matrices. Now we are going to code, we want to determine a multiplication of two matrices using Python programming. Now we are going to take input from user and output will contain multiplication of two matrices. So first we want to enter the order of matrices, that is number of columns and number of rows of first matrix and number of rows and number of columns of second matrix. So here we denote the variable m and n for first matrix. M indicate the number of rows and n indicate the number of columns. So m is equal to map int input enter rows and columns of first matrix, enter rows and columns of first matrix dot split. So by using this function you can assign first value to m and second value to n. Now next, similarly for second matrix we use the variable p and q. Here say p and q. P indicate the number of rows of second matrix and q indicates number of columns of second matrix. Now we want to check whether if number of columns of first matrix, that is n, is not equal to number of rows of second matrix p, then we want to display message print matrix multiplication is not possible, matrix multiplication, or we cannot determine matrix multiplication is not possible. This message we are going to display if your number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Now else if this condition is true, then first we want to enter the matrix A. So here we want to display a message print enter your matrix, enter your first matrix. Now create one empty list for matrix A. A is equal to empty list. Next, by using for loop for I in range m, first row of the first matrix, take one more empty list small a, and for j in range column of first matrix is equal to n, then A dot append, we enter first row and then we append that row in matrix capital A, int input. So here we enter the first row and then we want to append this row in capital A, so A dot append A. Now similarly we want to enter second matrix, so again control C, so print, enter your second matrix, again create one empty list, say capital B. Now for I in range P and for J in range Q, P indicate number of rows of first matrix and second matrix, and Q indicate number of columns of second matrix, and here instead of A for second matrix we use the variable B. Now we want to display this matrix A and B, so again by using for I in range M, for I in range M, for J in range N, M indicate the number of row of first matrix, N indicate the number of column of second first matrix. So print Aij, then after each variable entry we want to display some space. Okay, now after each row we want to display new line, so print new line. So here we have display the first matrix. Similarly we want to display the second matrix. Also want to display here one message, print first matrix, so matrix A is equal to, similarly here matrix B is equal to matrix B is equal to, again instead of M and N, P indicate the number of rows of first matrix, Q indicate number of columns of second matrix, and instead of A here put Bij, and after each row there is display new line. So again if we run this, unexpected B, where in line number 14. Print second matrix. Now take here B. Okay, so now again if we run this, there is one error also, line first, here first dot split, here also dot split. Now if we run here, okay, rows and columns of first matrix say 2 by 2 and rows and columns of second matrix say 2 by 2, and if we enter matrix 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6, then you can see here the first matrix is 1 2 3 4 and second matrix is 3 4 5 6. Now we want to multiply these two matrices A and B. So here now you can see here we require 3 loops. We want to the order of the new matrix. Here you can see that if the A is of matrix M by N and B is of order P by Q, then and if N is equal to P, then the order of the new matrix is M into Q. So here first we want to create one matrix Cij. So C is equal to capital C is equal to the dimension of new matrix is P by M N P Q. So M into Q. So again for 0 for I in range Q and similarly then want to create C for J in range M. So here we create one zero matrix having order is M by Q. Unexpected invitation. Okay, M by Q. Now we are going to we are going to assign each 0 row by multiplication of first row and first column. So here again by using for loop for I in range M for J in range Q, order of the new matrix is M by Q, and again we require one variable for K in range. Now range the equal to row of second matrix. So row of second matrix is what? P. We take this variable for here. You can observe now here A. You can see here this one and this one is equal. For this we take a variable K 2 1 and this K variable varies up to the row of second matrix, number of rows of second matrix or row. So here now Cij is equal to Cij plus Aij into Bij. Finally, we want to display this matrix Cij. So again by using for loop, if we copy this, because the order of the new matrix multiplication matrix is M by Q for I. Here we can display a message print multiplication of matrix A and B is equal to print Cij again want to display some space after each entry. So now next then new line after each row. So print new line So now if we run this code, first we want to clear this, clear. Number of rows and columns of first matrix, so 2 by 2. The second matrix say again 2 by 2. So here first matrix is 1 2 3 4, then 2 3 4 5. So one error, C is not defined here, small c, C, capital C, capital C, clear. Again if we run, number of columns, rows and columns of first matrix is 2 by 2, again 2 by 2, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 5, and C, here also one error, C, sorry, C. Two by 2, 2 by 2, 1 2 3 4, say 2 3 4 5, Cij, j is equal to Cij, clear. Again if we run one more time, say 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 5, and you can see here this is the first matrix 1 2 3 4 and second matrix is 2 3 4 5. So if we multiply first row to first column, then 1 into 2 2, 2 plus 2 into 4 8, 8, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 4 is 8, so it is equal to not, the matrix multiplication is not correct. 1 2 into first row into first column is 1 2 plus 8, it required 10 here. Again if we multiply the first row to second column, then 3 plus 10, 3 plus 10 13, so there is one mistake, that is you can see here, we want to A11, that is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21, so we use the variable k. So here Aik and Bkj. Now if we run one more times, then order of the first matrix is 2 by 2, second is 2 by 2, 1 2 3 4, say 2 3 4 5, and now you can see here, if we multiply first row to first column, then 2 plus 8 10, then first row into second column 3 plus 10 13. If we multiply second row to first column, then 6 plus 16 is 22, and second row to second column is 3 into 3 9, 4 into 5 is 20, so it is equal to 29. If you run one more times, now first say 2 into 2, 1 1 1 1. Okay, now so if we run one more times, and here now we are going to enter a wrong dimension here, say 2 by 3, the order of the first matrix is 2 by 3 and order of the second matrix is 2 by 2. Now you can see here the matrix multiplication is not possible. Why? Because the number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Here if we use equal to sign, and if we run one more times, now you can see here the order of the first matrix say 3 by 2 and the second matrix say 4 by 2. Now here you can see that the matrix multiplication is not possible because the number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix, so matrix multiplication is not possible. If we run one more times, here if we enter matrix say 3 by 2 and 2 by 2, now the order of the first matrix is 3 by 2 and the order of the new second matrix we enter here say 3 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. So what is the order of the new matrix AB is equal to 3 by 3. So if we enter here, say 1 2 3 2 3 4, and second matrix say 1 2 5 4 5 4 3. Now you can see here, this is the first matrix having order 3 by 2. This is the second matrix having order 2 by 3, and you can see here the order of the new multiplication matrix is 3 by 3. And here we multiply first row into first column, then first row into second column, this way. So hope you understood.